So this is the Rubyloo dog drying chamois towel. I'm going to wash my 85-pound dog today with it and see how it does with drying. Kind of feels like I don't know how to explain it, but it's like rubbery almost. But this is the towel, so I'm excited to use it and see how it does with drying my dog. My dog has a pretty big undercoat, so it's always hard to dry her because she's a lab, so it's really hard to dry her. So I'm hoping this resolves that issue. So here is the first use of the towel. Oh yeah, that feels like you can already feel the water getting absorbed into this thing. This is impressive actually, how it's like the towel I can feel just like absorbing every bit of water when I'm going over her. Before, I would never be able to get her as dry as she is right now off of one go like that. This towel is definitely full, so they said I could just easily wring it out. Look at that. It feels brand new. Go for another run. Well, I hope this helps your decision buying. I would definitely recommend this. This is awesome.